Hello students, this is lecture 7 on alcohols, phenols and ethers. In last lecture, we learnt about preparation of the alcohol, that is reduction method of the alcohol, reduction of the aldehyde, that is what we learnt. And I had asked you about the homework. What is the degree of the alcohol? The alcohol what we were getting is this kind, H, H and OH. These were the alcohol which we were getting. And the degree of this alcohol is this is the carbon and this is directly connected to the second carbon. This is also a carbon, no? Because this represents any group. It could be a methyl group. So this is a primary alcohol. So what is the conclusion? That if we do the reduction of the aldehyde, then we will get a primary alcohol. Now, if we do reduction of the ketone, this is another carbonyl compound, reduction of ketone. I'll take this group R, C, double bond, O, R dash, and I am doing a reduction. I will use a reducing agent or like lithium aluminum hydride, or I can use sodium borohydride, and this will reduce to R, C. Oxygen will be there, but it will be at the hydroxyl end. I am adding these two hydrogens, and this is sorry. This will be R dash a hydrogen, and here it is OH. Now, what you can observe over here is that we are getting a alcohol, and the degree of this alcohol is secondary alcohol. So, what is the thing to be in a summarized way? What I can say is that a aldehyde, if we do the reduction of the aldehyde, then this gives me a primary alcohol, and reduction of the ketone gives secondary alcohol. Now, why I will call this to be a reduction? Because if you see, the R and R groups are same. The carbon is there, oxygen is there. But what is added? These two hydrogens are added to this. Now, let's take a simple example. If we do the reduction of the ketones like this, CH3, C double bond O, and CH3 I am adding, and I am doing the reduction. Means I am adding a lithium, aluminum. This is Al. It is Al. Or sodium borohydride. This will give me CH3 over here. There is this will be also CH3, and this is the H, and this is OH. Now, what is the name of this alcohol? Now, I can be very specific over here while giving name. This is the general reaction. This is a secondary alcohol, and name is propane to all, because this is at the second position. One, two, three. The OH group is at the second position. Lithium aluminum hydride or a sodium borohydride. One more example we can solve over here of the. I did not solve any example regarding aldehyde. If I take a aldehyde, although this is a topic on ketone, I'll take one example of the aldehyde. What alcohol we will get? This is the aldehyde I am taking, and I am doing a reduction. Same reducing agent I am putting lithium, aluminum hydride, and a sodium borohydride. And what alcohol we will be getting? C. There is already H is there, and this H is there. Other O which was there over here, just convert it to H, and this is what a primary alcohol means. This in short I can write CH3, this is CH2OH. Name of this alcohol is ethanol. So this is the difference between a reducing a aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of the aldehyde gives you primary alcohol, reduction of the ketone gives you secondary alcohol. And one more thing, students, for the reduction of the aldehyde and ketone, you can use any of the reagent. Remember these reagent. You don't have to remember separately. You can use any of these reagents. Reagents are, it could be first reagent to be remembered is hydrogen in the presence of platinum or a palladium or nickel. Second is sodium in the presence of alcohol C2H5OH. Third is sodium borohydride, and the fourth is lithium aluminum hydride. Strongest among all these four is a lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, you can remember this for reduction of the aldehyde ketone and even for the carboxylic acid. I'll do it now. Let's understand reduction of the carboxylic acid. Okay, I'll take a carboxylic acid. I'll write a general reaction R C double bond O, and here it is OH. This is general example of the carboxylic acid. The reagents is used is a lithium aluminum hydride. This is a very strong reducing agent, and other we are using is water. What do we get over here is a RCH2OH. We get a primary alcohol. Means for example, if I take a acetic acid that is CH3COOH, and if I use above reagents, it could be a lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride also. I'm using this lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, and if I'm doing the reduction of this, then what I'll get is water is a solvent here. I will get over here is CH3, CH2, OH. Or in the simple terms, what you are doing for the there is in the case of carboxylic acid, what you can observe is this oxygen is removed. Okay, in the case of carboxylic acid, you can remember removal of the oxygen, right? Removal of oxygen plus addition of hydrogen. Both these things are taking place. Both these are the definition of the reduction. In the case of aldehydes and the ketones, there was just a addition of the hydrogen. Here you can see that what you are getting is here you will be adding two hydrogens. You are removing this oxygen and you are adding two hydrogens over here. And this OH is remaining intact. So what is the name of this alcohol? CH3, CH2, OH. I can write in a condensed formula CH3, CH2, OH. That is ethanol. Next is reduction of the esters. general formula of the ester is R, C, double bond O, and O R dash. Why I'm writing R dash is that this R and R dash may be same or may not be same. And if I am doing the reduction of the ester, again reducing agents which could be used is lithium, aluminum hydride, or you can use a sodium in the presence of alcohol, that is ethanol. Any one of the reagent is enough. There is no need to by heart both the things for exam. So here I will get two alcohols. Like in the earlier case, in the case of aldehydes, ketones, and the carboxylic acid, I was just getting one alcohol, and that was a pure mixture. Here I will be getting a mixture. Uh, it was a pure thing in the case of aldehyde, ketones, and a carboxylic acid. Only one alcohol. Here I will be getting one of the alcohol from the RCHO part, means from this part, right? I will be getting one alcohol from this part and another alcohol from OR part. Okay, OR part. Another alcohol from OR part. Means if I want to is that is alcohol, what we are going to get is R. From this part it is C, and I will be adding two hydrogens to this, and oxygen is there. So altogether there are three hydrogens, means RCH2OH, and other I am getting alcohol from the R dash part. Okay, this is the R dash. So R dash OH. These are the two alcohols which we will be getting. Means if I take the examples and if I tell you to guess what is the name, what are the names of the alcohol we will be getting. In both the cases, we are getting a primary alcohol only. This is also primary alcohol. So if I take this example, I'll take example of this ester CH3O. This group I am taking methoxy, and I am using the reagents lithium, aluminum hydride, or sodium. See, I'm saying a word or any one of these things. C2H5OH. So what alcohol I will be getting is CH3, right? This part, so that is CH3. Then next carbon, one more carbon is there, that will change to CH2OH. And other alcohol, what I will be getting is CH3, CH2. Just connect H over here. That is O is there and H. Means I am getting a alcohol. Name of the alcohol is ethanol, and yeah, in both the cases I am getting ethanol only. Okay, means here you are getting a pure alcohol. But if I take some other examples like CH3, CO, OCH3. In this case, you will be getting a mixture or sodium in the presence of ethanol. This is also a reducing agent. The alcohol what you are going to get is CH2OH, that is ethanol, and the CH3OH. I can write this way also, CH3OH. I am writing it ulta for your understanding. Okay, this is also a alcohol, CH3OH. So here it is methanol. So this is where I end with the topic, where we prepared a different alcohol, different degree alcohol by the reduction method. We did the reduction of the aldehyde, ketones, then carboxylic acid and the ester. If I want to summarize this, then um, if I want to summarize, then aldehyde, again I will write aldehyde gives primary alcohol, then ketone gives secondary alcohol, carboxylic acid gives primary alcohol, and esters gives two alcohols. Both are primary alcohols. Okay, this is the summary of the last two lectures. Thank you for listening. I'll end this over here. See you in the next lecture. Bye.